In this video, we're going to show you how to install the upper tailgate molding on your Nissan Frontier, located on top of your tailgate. Now, in order for us to replace this tailgate panel here with the handle, we're going to have to remove our upper trim here. Now, if you don't have this here, your handle will come up and it goes over the top of the tailgate. In our case, we're going to have to go ahead and remove this here. So let's start with that. I'm going to start by opening up the tailgate. And this upper piece is stuck on with adhesive. So we're just going to open this up. And go ahead and work this up and off. Now normally this part here, you can try and heat it a little bit, but you can distort it. Now you don't want to stay too long using a heat gun. You can damage the plastic and melt it, so be careful with this. You can use a trim tool as well while heating this and work this off. There you go. You can try peeling this off by hand. Sometimes it'll help if you have a heat gun and a trim tool. Simply warm this up. You don't want to get the metal too hot, as you can blister the paint. You want to just get the adhesive soft enough on this here, so you go ahead and roll that up. Now, we cleaned up the top side of our tailgate with some alcohol and got rid of a lot of the adhesive garbage that was there. On the back side here, we have some double-sided tape. We're going to peel off the coating here, the protective cover. Next thing we want to do is kind of open up that tailgate a little bit. And we're going to set this down in place over the back side. Line this up with our trim here, with our tailgate. Check the ends. I want to have roughly about maybe 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch. I'm going to go ahead and press this down all the way across. Go ahead and work that adhesive down. Make sure that trim bezel is, or the trim is on all the way. And close it up, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.